Today we're going to play the cut in half game and we're going to see whether I can cut this waffle perfectly in half. What we got? What was I on? Ooh. So I'm going to allow for the egg. Okay, so side one. I don't lick my fingers because I know I need more of the weight. I think I've really overplayed this. How's that 1 gram? It just shows that when you see these professionals cutting these things in half, they've spent a lifetime perfecting this. I don't know whether this means I need to take more attention to what weigh things, whether I need to sharpen my knives in my own kitchen, or essentially have less of a life. So I'm going to take the biscuit off, or cookie if you're American. Well, that's a there. So, part 1, done. I feel this has become very obvious that I stick my tongue out when I'm concentrating. Don't hate the player, hate the game. This has got some weight to it. So, it's a bit like reading a putt if you play golf. See which way the green goes? Straight in. We have 61. Think of me as the greatest cutter of foods that Britain has ever produced. I'm off to the World Championships now. Thank you. Good night. Final meal. The tiebreaker. The champion maker. The eliminator. I feel I've made a grave error. Get me on that train and get me out of here. Don't play anymore.
Gut gemacht, Sir.
Danke.